Governor Gina Raimondo has outlined a plan to soon reopen some of Rhode Island's state parks. She's still hoping she won't have to extend her stay-at-home order.
However, the Rhode Island Department of Health reports another 13 Rhode Islanders who tested positive for the virus have died, bringing the death toll to 279. The number of people in the hospital also increased from yesterday based on the new reporting method used by the health department.
Eyewitness News politics editor Ted Nesi joins us live from the State House with what the governor had to say this afternoon.
Shannon, Mike, after weeks in crisis mode, Governor Raimondo is starting to talk more and more about shifting into Rhode Island's new normal and our ability to potentially use some of the state's most beautiful places this summer.
Reopening the economy won't be a flick of the switch. It's not putting a light switch on. Think of it more like a dimmer on a light. We're going to slowly turn the lights back on.
One day after revealing more patients are hospitalized with COVID-19 than originally reported, Rhode Island officials say they're still aiming to start slowly relaxing restrictions May 9th.
The governor was aware of this change as we've explained it, and it does not shift the overall timing for reopening.
The health department director noting that while total hospitalizations keep rising, the number of coronavirus patients in the ICU or on a ventilator is declining. Governor Gina Raimondo continuing to turn attention to what will happen if she does lift her stay-at-home order when it expires at the end of next week.
Obey the stay-at-home order, as we all will do, until May 8th. And I hope that on May 9th we can begin a slow process of reopening our economy.
She had welcome news for those who love Rhode Island state parks.
When we begin Phase 1, which I hope is May 9th, we'll be reopening some parks, including Lincoln Woods, Haynes Park, Snake Den, Beavertail, and Fort Adams.
State beaches, however, won't be opening until Memorial Day weekend at the earliest. And with more people expected to return to work in the coming weeks, the governor says she hopes to reopen child care centers starting June 1st, but under new restrictions.
This is the beginning of what we're all going to have to do. Change the way we work, change the way we schedule shifts, change the number of people who can be in a room. Think about cleaning, constantly, especially in the instance of childcare.
Non-coronavirus medical care also in the spotlight today. The state's hospitals have canceled all non-critical surgeries in recent weeks to deal with a potential surge of COVID patients. The governor says those sometimes called elective surgeries could resume again as soon as Monday. Live at the State House, Ted Nesi, Eyewitness News.